Today I'm unboxing the iPhone 17 Pro, and it looks very similar to what the other one has in the past. Quintessential Apple logo. Nice clean box here, pretty minimalistic look and feel. I like the perforated tabs that they have. It makes it easy for opening. And it sounds good too. Let's get the other one. There we go. And there it is. What a beauty. Clean. Let's see if we can get it out. Really like the look, the feel, the weight. Not too much in this box. Everything that you really need though. Protective cover. Let's take that off. That's satisfying. All right, inside the box we have the cable and let's open this up. Well packaged, minimal need to put it in here. I like the braided cord. It feels nice in quality. It looks like these are some instructions. Let's go ahead and turn it on. And the Apple logo. Here it comes. Hello. Very nice.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, isn't too much different than the other ones have been in the past. Looks great and has that same Apple quality. Right out of the box, it's a beautiful device, beautiful product, as it always is.